Number 2, right here, 2. You're in the driveway. That's your big tree. Look at the chalk all over the place. Tree, yes, that's a big tree. And here's our picture of a tree. Right here. Madeline, where's the smiley face? It's your smiley face. There it is. Good girl. Good dog. Okay, where's the circle?
It's the triangle.
Right. And the square? 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 How about the flower? Right here is the flower. Flower. Number 1. Number 1. 1. 1. 1. No, what?
She wants to stand.
Sorry, pardon me. Number 1. Very good. Go to the smiley face, Madeline. Very nice. You have a smiley face too. And your tree. Your tree dog. Go to the circle, Madeline. No, silly boo. Boo, boo, boo. Circle. Phoebe's in the circle. Can you get Teddy? Bring Teddy over. Let's not get him chalky. Good job, Teddy. There you go. Teddy's on the flower. Can you put Teddy on the smiley face? Got that one down. Very nice, Madeline. Excellent. Oh, Teddy's covered in chalk now.
This is the only dirty Teddy.
The other ones are clean. Good. Madeline? Madeline? I'm in the triangle. That's my car. That's New Jersey car. It's a good car. You're going to be driving in that car tomorrow. Ooh, she just caught herself. And a car.
Oh, please don't touch that wheel. That's dirty.
Dirty.